Okay, so as you can see here, I welded that piece, this right here, to this frame. This is my dad's Honda 350XL. It's not a great job, but it's a job nonetheless. A lot of slag on top of it, but that's okay. I used the coat hanger trick right here too because there was a bit of a gap down here. It's okay. Behind it, if you want to see if I can show you, let's find out. Yeah, I welded that hella hard. I didn't want that thing to go nowhere. Yeah. Alright. If you need any light welding, call Joe Rossi, 555-55-555. 5. Alright, that should do it.